Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the last lesson of our science, that is measurements. Usually we measure all the things in the universe. Yes, we measure liter, milliliter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. These all are the measures or standard units to measure the things. We measure the weight of the objects in grams and kilograms. We measure the weight of the objects in grams and kilograms. Kilogram is greater than gram. Kilogram is 1000 times greater than gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. We use grams to measure the weight of smaller objects, and to measure the weight of heavier objects we use kilogram. For example, we measure our weight in kilograms, that is in kg. Kilogram is also said as kg. The short form of kilogram is kg, and the short form for gram is written as g. And the small amount of sugar we measure in grams. We measure our weight in kilograms, and small amount of sugar we measure in grams. Remember children, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Fruits, vegetables and grocery items are measured in grams and grams. Then how we measure these? What things we use to measure this weight? Children, these are the government approved weighing stones. We use these weighing stones to measure the weight of the objects. And this is the weighing balance. You might have seen these weighing balance in grocery shop, fruit or vegetable market. Yes, in this weighing balance, stones are kept one side and the things we purchase are kept on the other side. Like vegetables, fruits, these are kept on the other side of the weighing balance, and you can see this in the image how the things are measured. And these are the different types of balances which are used to measure the weight of different objects. Spring balance is used to measure the weight of heavy objects and big quantity of things, like sack full of cotton. Seeds are measured using this spring balance, and kitchen things are measured in the kitchen scales. We take our weight on a weighing scale also. These are also called bathroom scales. And children, water, juices and all types of oils, these are all liquids. Water is also a liquid. Yes, and liquids are measured using liter and milliliter units. And liter is bigger than milliliters. Liter is 1000 times bigger than milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Milliliter is written as ml in short form, and liter is written as small l in short form. And small quantity of liquid is measured in ml and large quantity in liter. And children, these are the measuring jars which are used to measure the liquids. And these measuring jars come in different sizes or different capacities, like 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml and 1000 ml. Children, in the page number 128, there is one activity, and the activity is, what measures will you use to buy the following things? They have given few images like cookies, rice, tomatoes, water, vinegar, etc. You all have to write below the image that which measures you will use to buy these things. For example, first one is cookies. Yes, and cookies we buy in grams. So write there grams or G. If you buy in large quantity, then you can write kg also. Rice we buy in kilograms. So write below the rice kilogram or kg. Water we measure in liters. So write liter below the water. Complete the remaining and send. Children, we know that liquids do not have fixed shape and volume, yes, but they take the shape of the container. If the container is 1 liter bottle, then only 1 liter of water or juice we can put. Complete the given activity, children, and send. Thank you.